Day 14. Let's get this crap put away. That's funny. If you can believe it, there's an evenly unlucky 13 life-size skeletons. Nice. Okay, we're done for right now. That one is full of cords and other connectors, and that one is full of lighting. Those lights already have their own box, so those are good. So not too bad. Got those all protected. I would sweep up those leaves, but they'll just be back in an hour. And then we get a bunch of stuff cleaned out of here and put into the storage. Yes, starting to fill her up.